Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable unemployment benefits setup with Massachusetts DUA. To begin the process of setting up your unemployment benefits with the Massachusetts Department of Unemployment Assistance, start by visiting the DUA website. Locate the Apply for Benefits section on the homepage. Click on the link that directs you to the online application portal. Before you begin, make sure you have the necessary information ready. This includes your social security number, personal identification, and work history for the past 15 months. Once you are on the application portal, create an account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information. Make sure to input your contact information accurately. Next, you will need to answer questions about your employment history. Provide details about your most recent employer. This should include the employer's name, address, and your job title. Indicate the reason for your unemployment in the application. This could be due to job loss, reduction in hours, or separation from your employer. Once you've completed the application, carefully review all your entries. Ensure that there are no errors, as this could delay your benefits. Submit the application when you are confident that all information is correct. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email from DUA. Keep this email as it may contain important information regarding your claim. You should expect to receive a determination letter within a few weeks. This letter will inform you whether your application is approved or denied. If approved, familiarize yourself with the weekly benefits amount and reporting requirements. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, contact DUA directly. They provide support through various channels, including phone and email. As your situation changes, remember to update DUA with any new employment or income. Finally, stay informed about any changes to the unemployment benefits program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.